Our top story this morning: in a high-profile exit, Captain Amrinder Singh resigned from the post of Punjab Chief Minister on Saturday after months of infighting and bickering. The question now is who will be the state's next Chief Minister. Hectic parleys are underway to decide on the name of the next Chief Minister of the state. According to sources, names like former Punjab Congress Chief Sunil Jakhar, senior Congress leader Ambika Soni and Rajya Sabha MP Pratap Singh Bajwa are in the race for the Chief Minister's post. Punjab Congress Legislature Party meeting is at 11 a.m. this morning to decide and finalize the name for the Chief Minister's post. According to sources, 2 Deputy Chief Ministers will also be chosen. Congress is focusing to settle the caste equation. As per sources, a Deputy Chief Minister could be from the Dalit community. The names of former Cabinet Minister Charanjit Singh Channi and senior Congress MLA Rajkumar Verka are doing the rounds for that. And another Deputy CM could be from the Sikh community, in which the name of Sukhjinder Singh Randhawa, a close aide of Navjot Singh Sidhu, is now leading the race. According to sources, the party does not want to pitch Navjot Singh Sidhu as a CM face, nor does Sidhu want to become the Chief Minister himself just before the elections next year. The party does not want it to seem like Sidhu caused Amrinder Singh's exit. My colleague Kamaljeet Sandhu is now joining me live from Chandigarh on this story. Kamaljeet, the race is extremely tight for the next Chief Minister of Punjab. But what are the equations, the caste equations and various factors that the Congress will be keeping in mind as it decides and finalizes the name?
Paulami, it's turning out to be a super Sunday here in Chandigarh, just before Congress decides its next new Chief Minister. Now, we know all hell has been breaking loose since the resignation of Captain Amrinder Singh. But yes, caste equations is one of the key factors, especially where there is turmoil brewing at the borders, there is farmer agitation taking place. There is every bit to placate all those factors to ensure that Congress is back in power again. But there are various factors, including the caste equations. Now, remember, the Jat Sikh or the Sikh community is the one which is dominating. But here, Congress is now looking at having a Punjabi Hindu CM face, or the interim or the temporary CM, just before the 4-month election period. So this is where they want to do some bit of damage control. Now, there are various factors as to why Captain Amrinder Singh really had to go. He said he has been humiliated by the party. But the insiders do point out that there was every bit factor that since Sidhu came in, that Captain was unhappy. There's also a source about how he was strengthening Shrimani Akali Dal. The other bit is about the sacrilegious cases as well as cases of drugs against the Badals as well as Shrimani Akali Dal leaders. This is where it's been alleged that Captain was going slow, much to the disappointment of the Congress leaders. Eventually, it led not just by Sidhu but other leaders as well, which later went on to oust Captain. Now, the point is that with leaders unhappy, they'll have to find a consensus face. Sunil Jakhar and Ambika Soni are 2 Punjabi Hindus who've been with the state. They've also had a close association with Sonia Gandhi. So these are the 2 names which are the front runners. But yes, Navjot Singh Sidhu cannot be ruled out. He's the current PCC chief, but just months to go before the elections, he wouldn't want to be just a temporary face. He's looking at something which is much more ambitious and perhaps a permanent step in that particular sense. But clearly, what Congress wants to avoid is factionalism or the further of it. We've seen Captain's men now join the CLP, and today at 11 o'clock is when the name will be announced. But yes, since yesterday's meeting made it very clear that they have left it up to the Congress President Sonia Gandhi to decide on the name. There will only be a ratification process, and they will have to ensure that the new name is not controversial. It will ensure that the flock is kept together. There's no further division which has to be taken place. So all these are factors which the Congress party is clearly looking at.
Of crunching of factors that the